Hello viewers, today we're going to be taking a look at my Emerson model 77646-SU after a complete restoration. I fully restored the fan myself, repainted the blades, replaced the motor. The cord is still good. I accidentally painted over the tag when I was painting the fan. It's a little dusty because I haven't had to run it for a while. It's just sitting down in the basement. But yeah, guys, we're going to go ahead and run it up. Alright, so we're going to start on low speed first. Here we go, guys. This is the Emerson starting up. Yes, guys, sorry for the vibration. I'm doing it on a paint can. I don't have a place to put it. Alright, here's medium. Here's high. Yes, I'm holding it down because it does vibrate a little. So yeah, guys, there's my Emerson after me completely restoring the fan. Now we're gonna go ahead and do a spin down. Actually, hold on a minute, guys. Let me just readjust it here. Actually, guys, we'll do it like it is. Alright, guys, here's the shutdown. Now, just so you guys know, it's a little windy, so it might affect the fan a little. So yeah, guys, watch her on high for a minute or two. Alright, we'll shut it down. Yes, we will do a video of it when it's actually straight. I figured for now we'll just do it as it is because of a full restoration. Alright, guys, there's a look at my late 1950s or early 1960s Emerson model 77646 SU table fan.